The F22 Metal Detector from Fisher Research Labs, leading innovators in metal detection technology since 1931. The F22 is a weatherproof, rugged outdoor product built to withstand the elements. The F22 separates trash from treasure by utilizing innovative target discrimination and ID technologies. When metal objects are detected, the detector will simultaneously emit one of 4 tones, illuminate one of 9 target ID category icons, and a 2-digit target ID number will appear on the screen. Possible target ID numbers range from 1 to 99. This number, tone, and category icon represents the electrical conductivity of the target and can be used to determine the probable ID of the buried target. FE tone, adjustable iron audio control, allows the user to set iron audio levels, making it easy to hear the treasure over trash. This, coupled with the F22's unparalleled quick recovery speed, allow this unit to further single out treasure in and amongst the trash. Fisher's exclusive, deep-reaching 9-inch triangulated concentric elliptical waterproof Searchcoil penetrates deep underground, easily detecting coin-sized targets at 9+ inches and larger targets at much greater depths. Powerful and versatile enough for the veteran with a customizable hunt mode and adjustable settings, yet simple enough for the novice with easy-to-use turn-on-and-go treasure hunting modes. The F22 is proudly made in the USA and has an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Fisher F22, built Fisher tough.
I've been using Fisher for 40 years and they've never let me down.